During World War II, Italy deployed a range of armored vehicles to support its infantry and mechanized units across Europe and North Africa. Among these, the Lancia 3Ro stood out as a versatile platform, adapted for troop transport, artillery support, and reconnaissance missions. These vehicles combined rugged engineering with practical functionality, shaping the way Italian forces moved and fought. We begin with the standard armored transport variants of the Lancia 3Ro. Standard Armored Transport. Lancia 3Ro. The Lancia 3Ro armored personnel carrier was the backbone of Italian infantry mobility. Built on the reliable 3Ro truck chassis, it featured steel plating to protect troops from small arms fire and shrapnel. Its design prioritized functionality over comfort, with space for a full squad in the rear compartment. On the battlefield, it moved soldiers quickly across open terrain and between defensive positions. Crews noted the vehicle's stability, though rough terrain could be jarring, and the limited armor made caution essential. Despite these limits, its reliability kept Italian infantry supplied and mobile during campaigns in North Africa and the Balkans. This dependable transport laid the foundation for specialized variants, extending the 3Ro's role beyond mere troop movement. Lancia 3Ro Staff. The Lancia 3Ro staff vehicle was an armored adaptation designed to carry officers and maintain battlefield coordination. Its reinforced cabin protected commanders from small arms fire while allowing space for maps, radios, and essential documents. Unlike the personnel carrier, the interior emphasized communication and operational control rather than troop capacity. In combat, it served as a mobile command post, moving alongside frontline units to relay orders and coordinate maneuvers. Crew members appreciated its reliability and relatively quiet engine, which allowed discreet movement, though its size made it less agile on rough terrain. The vehicle's presence on the battlefield ensured Italian units could respond to threats with structured command. From troop transport and command, the Lancia 3Ro platform evolved into specialized support roles, including anti-aircraft and artillery deployment. Anti-aircraft and support variants. Lancia 3Ro 20mm. The Lancia 3Ro 20mm AA truck was a mobile solution to protect convoys and frontline units from enemy aircraft. Mounted with a 20mm Breda cannon on a rotating platform, the vehicle combined mobility with a rapid rate of fire. Its armored cab shielded the driver and crew, though the gunner remained partially exposed during operation. In combat, the vehicle was often deployed along supply lines or near artillery positions, providing suppressive fire against strafing aircraft. Crews had to remain constantly alert, manually tracking fast-moving targets while coordinating with nearby units. Its relatively compact size allowed quick repositioning, though its armor offered minimal protection against direct hits. The anti-aircraft variant demonstrated the flexibility of the Lancia 3Ro chassis, which could accommodate both protection and firepower. From defending against the skies, the platform next adapted to support infantry with mobile artillery. Lancia 3Ro Mortar Carrier. The Lancia 3Ro mortar carrier transformed the sturdy 3Ro chassis into a mobile artillery platform. Fitted with an 81mm mortar in the rear compartment, it allowed Italian infantry to bring indirect fire quickly to the front lines without relying on stationary emplacements. The armored cabin protected the driver, while the gun crew worked in a semi-open rear section to operate the mortar. On the battlefield, it provided rapid, flexible fire support, suppressing enemy positions and softening defenses before infantry advances. Crews described the firing process as physically demanding, with the vehicle suspension absorbing recoil unevenly. Yet its mobility offered a crucial advantage over traditional towed mortars. Ammunition storage was limited, requiring careful planning during extended engagements. This adaptation highlighted the 3Ro's versatility, bridging transport and direct combat support. From artillery, the platform shifted toward logistical and recovery roles, keeping Italian forces supplied and operational. Armored recovery and logistics. Lancia 3Ro Armored Recovery Vehicle. The Lancia 3Ro Armored Recovery Vehicle was designed to keep Italian armored units operational under fire. Equipped with basic towing and repair tools, it could recover disabled trucks, light tanks, and other battlefield vehicles. The armored cab protected mechanics and drivers from small arms fire while performing dangerous frontline repairs. Crews often worked under intense pressure, moving between damaged vehicles while avoiding artillery and sniper fire. Its chassis offered surprising stability for towing, though the vehicle struggled on rough, sandy terrain common in North Africa. Despite these challenges, it played a critical role in maintaining operational momentum, ensuring that disabled vehicles returned to service quickly. The recovery variant underscored the 3Ro's utility beyond direct combat, complementing Italian logistics. Next, we turn to another essential support role: transporting ammunition safely to the front lines. Lancia 3Ro ammunition carrier. The Lancia 3Ro ammunition carrier was an armored logistics vehicle tasked with transporting shells, cartridges, and other munitions to frontline units. Its reinforced rear compartment protected both the cargo and crew from small arms fire and shrapnel, allowing resupply under combat conditions. In operation, it traveled alongside infantry and artillery units, ensuring that weapons remained ready during prolonged engagements. Crews described the constant awareness required to avoid ambushes, as a single hit could trigger catastrophic explosions. Despite these risks, the vehicle's reliability and capacity made it indispensable for sustained combat operations. From delivering ammunition and repairing vehicles, the 3Ro platform also supported reconnaissance missions, extending its role across the battlefield. Reconnaissance and specialized roles. Lancia 3Ro Recon Vehicle. The Lancia 3Ro Recon Vehicle was a lightly armored adaptation designed for forward observation and battlefield scouting. Retaining the 3Ro's robust chassis, it offered mobility and protection while carrying a small crew tasked with gathering intelligence on enemy positions. Its design allowed for rapid deployment and quick withdrawal, essential for reconnaissance missions. Crews relied on keen observation and navigation skills, often moving through hostile territory to report troop movements and artillery placements. While lightly armored, it provided just enough protection against small arms fire, allowing scouts to survive encounters that would have threatened unarmored trucks. The vehicle's speed and reliability made it a vital link between frontline units and command posts. From reconnaissance, the Lancia 3Ro also adapted to communication roles, maintaining coordination across dispersed Italian forces. Lancia 3Ro Radio/Signal Vehicle. The Lancia 3Ro radio vehicle was an armored platform equipped with field radios and signal equipment to maintain communication across dispersed Italian units. Its reinforced cab protected the driver and operators, while the rear compartment housed radio transmitters, batteries, and cables essential for battlefield coordination. In combat, it served as a mobile relay station, moving alongside infantry or armored formations to ensure continuous contact with command centers. Crew members had to operate radios under fire, often balancing mobility with the need to transmit and receive critical orders. The vehicle's reliability and versatility made it a cornerstone of Italian operational communication. From coordinating attacks to supporting logistics and reconnaissance, the Lancia 3Ro's adaptability highlighted its enduring value. Its legacy extended beyond individual battles, reflecting the ingenuity and practical engineering of Italy's wartime vehicles.